Former West Shillong MLA Mla Mohendro Rapsang on Tuesday joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP along with hundreds of his supporters in a move that is expected to bolster the party's organizational strength in the constituency. The joining program was attended by BJP Meghalaya State President Mla Mohendro, Cabinet Minister San Borsholai and other party leaders. Rapsang was first elected to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly from West Shillong in 2018 on a Congress ticket. He later joined the National People's Party NPP and contested the 2023 Assembly elections under its banner before formally aligning himself with the BJP. Speaking on the occasion, BJP Meghalaya State President Mla Mohendro stated that Rapsang's entry into the party would further reinforce the BJP's position in West Shillong. He noted that the former legislator enjoys a close connection with the people of the constituency and that his induction would help strengthen the party's grassroots base. Rapsang, meanwhile, expressed happiness over joining the BJP and said that he was encouraged by the developmental strides achieved by the country under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He remarked that India had witnessed rapid growth and progress across various sectors under Modi's stewardship. The induction of the former MLA is being viewed as a significant addition to the BJP's ranks as the party continues its efforts to expand its support base and organizational network across Meghalaya.
Now, officially, Shri Mohendro Rapsang is a primary member of the
I'm honored to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today, the 23rd of June 2026, and stand among the pillars of strong and prosperous India. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing with strength, confidence and global respect. His commitment to nation building, efforts in transforming India into a prosperous and self-reliant country inspired me to dedicate myself to continue public service. The BJP has made it clear that we must listen to the aspiration of the people, and that's the objective I'll take forward. I'm committed to working sincerely for the welfare of the people. I extend my gratitude to the member of this great party for welcoming me into this great family. I will work for the progress of our state, our nation, and I seek the support and the blessing of everyone as I begin this new journey. I'll strive to make our journey together a story of progress, prosperity, a pride for Meghalaya and India. Jai Hind, thank you, Mahila.